Hi, Accelerated Volleyball 3. I am here just to go over a few of the specialized offense basics that we need to know. This should be review from level 2 and level 1. So here we go. A few things I want you to know. Okay, volleyball offenses are always based on a player's strengths so that you can maximize what your team is good at. You can have the best team possible if everybody's doing what they enjoy doing and what they're good at doing. Okay. When you are assigned a job on a volleyball team, you keep the same job. So setters always set, hitters always hit. So you kind of stick with those responsibilities that are assigned to that job. Okay. A very important rule when running a volleyball offense is that you have to be in your starting rotation, or you might hear me refer it to as a serving rotation, when the ball is served. So that's why I put that little screenshot there on the right side. This is just an example of a rotation on a 5-1 offense. This is a starting rotation for a 5-1 offense. And then you shift from there after the ball is served so that your outside hitters are on the left side, your rights go to the right, and your middles are in the middle. Okay, so those are the first few things. A few vocabulary words: switching, that is moving to your specialized positions after the ball is served. Okay, transitioning means that you are shifting from offense to defense during a rally when the ball is going over the net. When the ball is on the other side of the net, you are on defense, and when it comes back over, then it's your turn to do an offensive play. So you're constantly shifting back and forth between the two. A serve-receive formation is what is used when you are being served to. So that is something that we are going to be learning about and how we do that. We will be using a 3 or 4 person serve receive in the 5-1. And then the last term is base defense. And this is a formation used anytime the ball is on the other side of the net. You go to your defensive position, which might be slightly different than your offensive position. Blockers are getting ready to block. Setters are covering a certain part of the court. So it depends on what rotation you're in, but there is always a defensive formation that you must be going to. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is those positions and what your responsibilities are. Remember, in a volleyball offense, that first number stands for the number of hitters, and the second number stands for the number of setters. So you only have one setter in the 5-1. Okay, so they have a lot of shifting and moving to do. They are setters. That's what they do. Outside hitters, okay, you're going to be hitters primarily. You'll pass. A lot of times in the serve receive, that will be a job you will do. You will also be blockers. Middle hitters, your primary responsibility is always to block. Then you're a hitter, and you may also be a passer every now and then as well. Typically, that's not done quite as often as blocking and hitting. Right side hitters, hitting, blocking, passing, a lot like the outsides. Defensive specialists, you can sub in for anyone. You play back row, so you're very good at defense and passing. And liberos, they do the same job. They just can only sub in for specific players. Okay, so hopefully this will help you. There will be a Google form quiz for you to fill out when you are all finished. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for listening. How do I